So today we are going to do a mobility routine that you can do from home. All you need is a chair. So go and grab a sturdy chair and let's get started.
All right, so for this one, you are going to do a spine and shoulder stretch. Go as far as you can, really stretching through those shoulders and that full spine. This is great if you have been sitting all day. If you can get away with it, try doing it at work, but go for 8 times on this one. Okay, now we are going to switch to a back arch and a forward fold. My mistake here was not putting the chair against the wall, so make sure your chair is firmly placed against the wall so it does not move. Do not arch too far back if you can't. Just do a really far back reach as far as you can go, with the ultimate goal being to grab the back of the chair. And then doing the opposite movement, curling over head to knees. And we're going to do this one for 5 times. Back arched, forward fold is 1. All right, now we are going to get up. Great to put your chair against a wall for this one as well. This one is called a split squat. You can do this from the ground, but elevating it on a chair makes it a little bit easier. Goal is to get your knee over your toe, to get your knee strong in that motion. And we're gonna do 5 each leg. The importance of doing both legs evenly, can't emphasize it enough. Make sure you are doing both legs. That leg is done. Now switch to the other one and do 5 on that as well. This is great for your knee mobility, knee strength, and also look at how much it is stretching my Achilles. So it's great for ankle mobility as well. Okay, now that we're done with those, we are going to switch to a lifted pigeon pose. This one can be a little bit tricky, so don't push if it's too hard, but you put your shin parallel on the chair and then tap the knee down and pull it up. This is great for hip strength, hip mobility, overall hip health. The more you lean forward at the top, the deeper of a stretch you will feel. We're just going to do 5 each leg and then switch positions. Careful on how you're switching, just whatever way is comfortable for you to switch positions. Get that shin parallel on the chair and go to the other side for 5 times. Okay, I love these ones. These are side hip hurdles. So you are going to stand directly beside the chair and you are going to tap your foot in the front, go back, don't tap it, and then bring it back to the front. That counts as 1. So for this one, you're going to do 5 each side and you will feel the awesome mobility you are gaining in those hips. If you need more balance, do it next to something where you can hold on to help you remain sturdy throughout the position. 5 each side on this one. Look at my cat in the background. I think she's been napping all day. Okay, awesome. We are going to go to a seated position and we are going to work on some spine and neck health. So for this one, this is a single arm helicopter. You are just going to reach back as far as you can and twist back to the front. This is great for your posture and your spine mobility. So 10 each time, which would be 5 twists each side. All right, time to work a little bit on our neck. So this one is a neck side lean. With this one, be very gentle pulling on the neck, but do give it a little bit of a tug to just deepen that stretch in the side of the neck. You are just going to do 8 times total, 4 leans each side. And as you get further along, you'll notice you can pull it a little bit further, but again, be very gentle with your neck. Okay, this is going to be the last one. It is a hinge forward, keeping that spine neutral. And then when you come up, reach overhead. If you can, tap your hands at the top and then go right back down to a hinge. Do not curve your neck into an arch. Remain neutral throughout the bend and then come right back up. Tap at the top. This is great for your hips, your back, your spine, your shoulders. And that is it. If you guys have time, do this routine one more time through and comment down below if you like this video and what you guys want to see next.